I want to say you something before you start this live. I just want to say you something from my heart. Many people may think that I feed birds or cats just to show the others. But honestly, that's not my purpose. I do it out of love for Allah, Allah's creation. Allah has created everyone living being and provide food or all the all them. As a human, the best of his creation is also our duty to show kindness and care of animal and birds. Through my video, I just want to motivate people to love and take care of these innocent lives. If you ever say or do anything wrong that hurts anyone's feelings, please forgive me. Thank you so much for understanding.